Hello everyone, my name is Obapa. You are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's recipe is about carrot complexion facial bar soap. It's so easy to make. We are going to use carrot and some few ingredients. First, I have already washed my carrot and I'm cutting it into smaller pieces because I'm going to cook it or steam it for 5 minutes before I blend it to get my carrot puree. Carrot puree is very easy to make. Carrots contain vitamin A, beta carotene, and is very good for skin brightening. It can clear dark spots and also give you an even skin tone. So after I have cooked my carrots for 5 minutes, I'm going to blend it to get the puree, and also I will be adding few ingredients which is very easy for you to get from the house. Most of the ingredients we have it available in the kitchen. So we will be using apple cider vinegar, which is also very good for the skin. We are also going to use goat milk powder, but you can replace it with cow powder or buttermilk powder. I'm going to use fragrance, and this one too I will add preservative, which is germall plus preservative. You can use any preservative of your choice. And I'll be using a soap base, and I'm using clear melt and pour soap base. You can use any melt and pour soap base of your choice. You know, apple cider vinegar can help balance your skin pH, also exfoliate your skin and reduce hyperpigmentation. Those who have acne skin can use it to clear their skin. So it's very good. The same as the goat milk powder contain lactic acid, which is very good for exfoliation and skin brightening. So next, I'm going to dissolve my goat milk powder in a little water, which I didn't measure, so you just eye it, you just guess it yourself, and I will stir it very well for it to melt. I have also melt my melt and pour soap base, and this is it. It have melted. I will add my ingredients. So I'm adding my carrots and I'll stir very well. I'm going to add a little mica powder to it to get the vibrant orange color. You can choose not to add mica powder, it's not compulsory. What you will do is to add all your ingredients into the melted soap. Stir very well to make sure that everything has dissolved in the soap or combined very well. So it's very simple to make. It's been a long time. I was sick. A lot of things happened, but that's my private life. I'm back again, and I'll try my best to post video frequently so that everybody can watch. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Old people here, like the video too, so that I will know that you like the recipe. This particular recipe, I didn't pour it into my soap mold, rather I pour it into containers. Yes, you can do that, but you can pour it into a soap mold too and unmold it, but I'm not going to do that. Rather, I pour them into my containers. I'll let it sit down for it to harden, and when it's hardened, I will be back. It took, I think, 20 minutes for it to harden. Yeah, and you can see how beautiful the color is. So you see, have hardened very hard, and you can see how sparkle the mica powder is showing. I don't know whether if you can see it. So it's very simple, very simple to use. You can give it out, and at the same time you can sell it because it contains preservative. So it's simple. You get exfoliation sponge or exfoliation pad, facial pad, which I just show you. You soak it in water, then you wipe it on the soap, which is going to foam. Then you use it on your face. You let it sit for 10 minutes before you rinse it off from your face. So you can see. Yeah, if you have any question, don't forget to leave it there. Write your comment there. I will reply you, and I will leave the recipe down in the description box if you want to make it, because it's very simple. You can switch the ingredient by yourself. You can have different ingredients, then you can choose to create a similar one by yourself. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and share my videos. Bye bye.